everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Sonia from My Nutrition Foods. Thank you for joining me. Today I am going to be talking about bread that is dairy free. So I'm going to make a sandwich, well a couple of sandwiches actually, and the bread I use is called Ezekiel bread. I love this bread. This is my favourite bread ever. I do eat this every day, either as a sandwich or I have it as toast with topping on. I just love it. So you can get 3 different flavours. This one is with sesame seeds, and then we have an Ezekiel bread made with flax seeds, and there is another one with 100% sprouted grains. It has no dairy in it. It is made with sprouted grains and different seeds, so super healthy for you. One of the best breads I have found. Sometimes you do have to go to a health food store to find this. It's not always in your local supermarket, but I would definitely recommend this if you can find it. It's definitely worth taking the time to get this bread. If you can, if you have to go a little bit further for it, definitely recommend it. So I'm going to start with this bread here, and I am going to use, rather than any dairy spread, I have some mashed avocado here, so I'm going to use that as my spread. Now, avocado is a really good healthy fat, especially if you are trying to gain weight. It's a really good healthy fat to have, full of antioxidants and also potassium, which is good for heart health. Put that on both sides. So today's sandwich will be a salad sandwich. So I have some lettuce here, and it's mixed lettuce, greens, different types of greens. It's also got some micro broccoli in. Micro broccoli is full of antioxidants, vitamins, fibre, good for digestion, and it's actually more nutrient dense than normal broccoli. So I'm just going to add some of this on here. There we go. And then I have some tomato, which I've sliced up. Tomatoes are full of lycopene, which is a really good antioxidant to have. Again, full of vitamins. Vitamin K, which is good for bone health. Potassium, good for heart health. Lots of antioxidants in it. Then I'm going to add some celery. Now this has a lot of water content in it, so it's very good for hydration. It's got that nice crunch to it as well, full of vitamins and fibre. It's got lots of iron in it. And then we have our beets. Now I'm just using a fork here so my hands don't turn all purple from the colour of the beets. These have got quite a strong flavour, so you may wish to leave these out, but I really enjoy them in the sandwich. Very vibrant. The more variety of colours you can have, the more nutrients you are getting. So, there we go. Now the trick is here is just you can pick up a sandwich without any of the fillings coming out. That is delicious. You've got the crunch from the lettuce and the celery. You can taste the tomatoes and the beets as well. Really good flavour. Yummy. This is actually one of my top fillings for sandwiches. I do have this most days, just love it. So now we're going to make another one. This one, I used to love this. Well, I still do love this. I love this growing up as a child. So I am going to use almond butter as my spread. It's made with just almonds, nothing else. So nothing that's got any dairy or gluten in it. This bread, it does have gluten in though, just to let you know, but absolutely no dairy. And then I'm just going to add some banana. So really quick and easy. I've already sliced up a banana here. Bananas are full of potassium. They're very good for heart health. Also have fibre in them. Lots of antioxidants, full of nutrients. And they give a really natural sweetness to the sandwich. Children really love this. Love that taste. It's got the creaminess from the banana. Love the bread. And the banana pairs really well with the almond butter. So I hope you'll give these a try. Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to know what your favourite fillings for a sandwich are. Please hit the subscribe button for more healthy tips and recipes. I will be back again soon. Until then, be happy, be healthy.